Hello, dear friends. Teacher Sam here with you today. We're embarking on a culinary journey together as we explore the fascinating world of kitchen tools and equipment. As beginners in the English language, this lesson will help you understand not only the names of these items, but also their uses. Throughout our journey, I'll be listing, demonstrating, and explaining each item with clear examples. So, grab a pen and paper, and let's get ready to dive into the world of kitchen tools and equipment. First off, we're going to explore the wide variety of kitchen tools. It's like a culinary treasure trove waiting to be discovered. Let's dive right in, shall we? Imagine you're in the kitchen, ready to flip your pancakes to a golden brown. What do you reach for? That's right, a spatula. This flat, flexible tool is perfect for flipping, turning, and serving food. Next, let's talk about the whisk. This little handy tool is like a magician in your kitchen. It stirs, blends, and whips ingredients into a smooth consistency. Think fluffy scrambled eggs or a velvety cake batter. Now, if you've ever needed to remove the skin from a fruit or vegetable, you've probably used a peeler. This tool has a slotted metal blade that shaves off the outer layer of your produce. It makes peeling apples for your pie a breeze. And then there's the grater. The grater, a true multitasker. It can shred cheese, zest citrus fruits, and even grate nutmeg or cinnamon. It's all about adding flavor and texture to your dishes. There are so many more tools we could talk about, like the ladle for serving soup, the tongs for turning meat, or the rolling pin for flattening dough. But we'll save those for another time. Remember, these tools are your best friends in the kitchen, helping you prepare delicious meals. Now that we've covered kitchen tools, let's move on to kitchen equipment. These are the larger items in your kitchen that are powered by electricity or gas. They do the heavy-duty work, helping you whip up your culinary creations with ease. First up, we have the blender, a versatile piece of equipment that can do everything from blending smoothies to pureeing soups. No more mashing or manually pureeing, the blender does it all in a fraction of the time. Next, we have the toaster, a breakfast staple. With a toaster, you can enjoy crispy, golden slices of bread every morning. It's as simple as placing your bread in the slots and adjusting the browning settings to your preference. Then we come to the microwave, a true kitchen hero. Whether it's reheating leftovers, cooking quick meals, or even baking a cake, the microwave is your go-to appliance for speed and convenience. We also have the refrigerator, the guardian of your food. It keeps your ingredients fresh, your drinks cold, and your ice cream frozen. And let's not forget the oven, the heart of any kitchen. Whether you're baking a cake, roasting a turkey, or broiling a steak, the oven is essential for cooking a wide range of dishes. These pieces of equipment are the heavy lifters in your kitchen, making your cooking tasks easier and more efficient. With them, you're not just cooking, you're creating culinary magic. What a journey we've had exploring the world of kitchen tools and equipment. We've covered everything from spatulas to stoves, each with their own unique purpose in the culinary world. It's important to remember that these tools and pieces of equipment are your allies in the kitchen, helping you to create delicious dishes with ease and precision. Remember, every tool and piece of equipment in your kitchen has its own unique purpose. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be a pro at identifying and using them all. Until next time, this is Teacher Sam signing off.